Hello and welcome to Saurav Sir's classes. Today we are solving ISI Msqe 2018 economics question paper. Let us see question number 12. It is said that there are two consumers A and B. A has the utility function UA equal to minimum of XA, YA. That means for A, X and Y are perfect complements, and UB has the following utility function UB equal to XB plus YB. This means that for individual B, X and Y are perfect substitutes. The endowment vectors are EA equal to 100, 100 and EB equal to 50, 0. So, we can say that total endowment of X is equal to 100 plus 50, which is equal to 150, and total endowment of Y is 100 plus 0, which is equal to 100. Thus, let us draw the Edgeworth box. This is origin of the first individual and this is origin of the second individual. Total endowment of X is given by 150. Total endowment of Y is given by 100. For the first individual, since XA and YA are perfect complements, so we can write XA equal to YA. We draw this line. So this is the line. His indifferent curves will be looking like this. And for the second individual, since X and Y are perfect substitutes, his indifference curves will be in this manner. So we see that, say take any point, say this point. Over here, this is the indifference curve of the first individual and the second individual has an indifference curve like this. So if we go to a point this way, the first individual's utility increases, but the second individual's utility decreases as its utility increases in this fashion. Henceforth, this is a Pareto optimal allocation. Thus, all the points on this line are Pareto optimal allocations. Thus, this line is the contract curve. Thus, set of Pareto optimal allocations are those that satisfy XA equal to YA. So when Px, Py is given as 1 by 5, 2 by 5, the slope of the budget line, which is minus Px by Py, is nothing but minus of 1 by 5 into 5 by 2, which is equal to minus half. However, in order to get a Pareto optimal allocation of this fashion, we need the slope to be exactly equal to minus 1. Thus, this can never be an equilibrium price vector. Hence, option C. Now, let us go to the next question. Suppose that museums are public goods. Suppose also that there are two types of individuals, A and B, in the society, each type with a different individual marginal benefit function for museums. A type A individual's marginal benefit is max of 20 minus 2q, 0, while a type B individual's marginal benefit is max of 4 minus q, 0, where q is the number of museums. 0 is less than equal to q is less than equal to 10. There are 10 individuals of each type in the society. The overall marginal benefit function for the society is, so there are 4 options and we need to calculate the overall marginal benefit function. So when 0 is less than equal to q is less than equal to 10, MBA, which is the marginal benefit of the first consumer, is 20 minus 2q. In this case, it is more than equal to 0. and when 0 is less than equal to Q is less than equal to 4, MBB, which is the marginal benefit of the second consumer, is 4 minus Q, which is equal to more than 0. So when Qx is outside this range, marginal benefit of the second consumer is 0, and when Q is outside this range, marginal benefit of the first consumer is equal to 0. Therefore, for 0 less than equal to Q less than equal to 4, total marginal benefit is equal to 10 of 20 minus 2Q, because in this range, marginal benefit of the first consumer is positive, strictly positive, and there are 10 types of individuals of 10 individuals of type A. Hence, this plus 10 into 4 minus Q, because in this range again 4 minus Q is more than equal to 0, and there are 10 individuals of type B. Thus, on solving this, we get 240 minus 30Q. And marginal benefit is equal to 10 into 20 minus 2Q plus 0 for 4 less than Q less than equal to 10, because in this range marginal benefit of the second individual is 0 and marginal benefit of the first individual is positive. Hence, on solving this, we get 200 minus 20Q. Thus, the answer is given by option A. Thank you for attending this lecture. For other such videos, please visit our YouTube channel.